Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today now about Davido and Chioma. I dey see videos where because I know say I first do the video say Davido don't go pay Chioma by price. So now they because of the Pikin wake meme, so the family of Chioma say no, say Davido must fair pay the buy price. If not, they no agree me bury her for their place. So now no say Chioma family na very disciplined family. We be say they not be family where they use one hand, they throw away like this. Chioma family they okay too. They not they poor, they very okay. So when I do that video, be like say some people will not believe because I hear them. Now he came me. Where tell me where they behave like person where he head not correct. Come go do video. Come bring a picture. Write up. Come and say the video go pay Chioma buy price after 2 days when they are picking meme. So many bloggers come out. They reverse. Why the video go pay buy price? It be like say the video get what you Chioma do. The video na bad person. The video as the thought say na rich one I be. The video na bad this one. Davido na this. I don't understand una. Sha? Una never see where woman go lost a papa for a family or a mama. They'll tell the woman say, before your husband go come that burial, he must first pay your bride price, your baby father. If you not pay the bride price, they're not going to recognize them. I be fine life, I be on a writer for conversation. They'll say they're not going to recognize them for the burial because you never pay the bride price of you. So you can't see the man who can go put money. So on one time, me say the man get what he want to do because he go put money when the woman lost him mama or his papa. I don't understand now. Chioma family, they get their tradition. Igbo people get their tradition. Bini get their own too. Una say na our family they cheap like mumu. We be say una no get say because the man get money. No. Chioma family, they not even agree make Davido even give her a name. They give her me fine because he never paid the bride price. Now make he be saying na Chioma, now he give her a name. Why Davido not leave Chioma that time? Davido love Chioma. He know say the family will be say that they look money, that they look in money. No. Now this is not because of money, now make Chioma the follow. And Davido love Chioma. Now make they take with their happiness. Now not see the right up where Davido right say. Am I going to be happy again? In go see they happy for your life, for this the way happen to Ram. In go see they happy. The same thing that Chioma go see they ask yourself. I know that somebody lost the Pikin. Oh, now what did they come out from una mat now? You use the Pikin do something. You use this one. And so you want go pay bride price after 2 days. If I talk and say that next year you go do the marriage. If I talk they never do party put. And just because he knows that when you want marry. This thing will happen so. They tell and say, you never marry Chioma, so they will bring it fine and come home when they come burial. Now he say no. Say he go pay the bride price because now waiting he wants. This will not be force. They don't force him. Now waiting he wants. Now he do one. You understand? So all those online in-law be roadside blogger them. More than they talk with you and no. As soon as they born for men, they fall cheap for them. When they say our family, they do them. When they say our family, they take that nonsense. Not be all family. Oh. Many families, they get tradition. What did they say? Tradition. They get them. Why not they always they behave like who their head not correct? When not they use now can't sometimes. Eh? So now all family we now go mumu as una own be. Una go just enter social media no go get better thing una want talk. So Chioma family not doing aware now be. They not doing aware. So therefore you allow the video do anything we like to their Pikin. They did discipline. Eh? Even though say Chioma go born out of wedlock, they still make sure say they deal with her put. They tell her say no. Your husband must marry you before anything. You understand? Chioma go still born on that Pikin. God will give her this one. He go still give her on the way give her this one. He go still give her the one way go come stay with her forever. You understand? So when I know the talk say Davido use the pikin to how Davido go use the pikin do ritual? What did they look for your life? We want use the pikin. If you use the pikin, no will get peace for your life now. You don't know. So that pikin will come all time later. If anybody will get hand for this your death, anybody will get hand, make sure say you make sure make your spirit no rest, make your spirit haunt that person till that person die for your life. Make it haunt that person, because if your Davido do them anything, they suppose if Davido not tell the same one use the pikin take pay put. If Chioma do anybody anything, Chioma not talk say nah if fine now you go take pay put. So anybody will do you this thing if fine, will give you this obtaining debt, so haunt that person till that person confess say the sleep against is when did this thing to Davido's son. They get peace again. Except say na natural death now you die. Say not be natural. That person not go get peace for your life. Person will cause this pain to your mama and your papa body. They not go get peace. You go haunt them. Make sure say they deal with them. If they're closer, make that they see you. If they eat, make that they see you. Anything that they do, make that they see you. If fine, make that they see you until they confess. They not go feel they sleep. If they want sleep, they close down in the night. They go see you. If fine. If they want eat, they go see you. If they want sleep, they go see anything. Anything when one make them get 1 minute sleep like this, they go see you for front. They will begin the run. Say, I want confess. I want confess. I want confess what I do. I want confess. Now so it go be for them. Now so it go be. They not go ever get peace. They not go ever get peace. Kemi, when they talk anyhow, say Davido go pay bride price after 2 days when their pikin die. Say get what they use and do. Kemi, your craze don't pass Jeremy. They have to carry you go psychiatric hospital. May they go look your head whether you see they walk. Davido they pass through a lot right now. Now it matter that he owes you because of his when they give you that time, because you know your head not correct. Your head not correct. You find Davido down for everywhere. Leave Davido alone. Kemi, this your own don't pass Jeremy. Kemi, you need to go visit hospital. May they look what they your head. Because please the way you go that time, it don't enter your brain. Sense, so common sense not there with you. Somebody lost the pikin, and Baba tells you the talk follow. They need to carry you, may they go check your head whether you dey okay. Whether you dey okay, Kemi. Now your math they come the year update now. Your math. Now, maybe your math before year and more. Say they don't go pay a bad price. Me not hear that from your own math. I don't hear that for there. Lie. I don't hear that for your own math. Not be after 2 days, my people. More than no manner. Not be after 2 days. Now lie just the worry this woman so. Not be after 2 days. More than no manner. So my people, more than I make sure this video. Let the video go viral. Bye everybody.